medicine shop, yes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Actually I am a pharmacist.
Oh, that's good. So I think maybe your English is also good because you are formal.
But this time is not good. So
Why?
this is the I can show the road.
Yeah, I'm
This
seeing.
is the NS. This is the National Highway 33
Mm-hmm. National Highway in Delhi. Okay.
Triple 3A.
Okay.
There is a lots of sound
Yeah,
background.
that's yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I always see. Like, I always hear this sound whenever I talk to you.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, change your camera, like in your side.
Yes.
Yeah. So tell now.
Mm. So so
Yeah.
teach me you now.
What I teach to you? Ask. Like, not to teaching, ask any kind of question. Like, if you have any kind of problem while any topic.
No, but
Mhm. Like,
I
which topic you feel like there I'm facing problem, like about my past, future, and present, and like some, code may have like this type of thing.
actually I said you spoke to me, talk to me, but I understand. But I am not talk to very well, so that's what my problem.
No, you have
Actually,
problem.
yeah,
I want to tell.
my grammar is so not good, and vocabulary is no.
Yeah,
So this is the my problem, main
yeah,
problem.
yeah. I catch it. I catch your vocabulary. Like, because you have vocabulary problem. I
Yes,
understand this thing.
yes,
You
yes.
know how you improve while vocabulary? There is only one thing, like, in your medical shop, I think every medicine in like in English. So
Yeah.
you also read daily. So if you don't know any kind of words, so go and search in Google.
Okay, but
Yeah. Mhm.
I am searching, but birds are many birds are not remember. So,
Okay. Yeah. Okay. You know why it's happened? Because of you are not trying to, talk.
okay,
Try to talk with someone. Try to use that word. Which word you find and which word you want to remember. Because
okay,
our mind works on repetition. Like again and again, if you do any kind of thing, so our mind become familiar about that.
okay.
And still I am also really this is true, I also made lots of mistake. And daily I learned several words, but I forgot because I also not use that word. So that is
But
the reason.
your slogan is very well.
because
Uh,
because of.
so
Mhm.
uh,
Yeah,
why
because.
your
Mhm.
slogan is well?
Okay.
So
So I'm also really made I also made lots of mistake. But because I have been learning this language before 7 months, when pandemic start. So that time I
yes, yes.
started to learn this language and I started to talk with people. And
Any
like,
institute? Yeah. No, okay. Home.
no, also I took one classes from Delhi, and that teacher is really very good. He don't used to teach any kind of grammar. He also have this type of things. He want to talk like some activities he doing there, like you talk with someone and that video he want to post in YouTube, like this type of things. So we feel comfortable and also confident. So that is only that. I
Okay.
also still I also don't really I also don't know a lots of grammar, but just like I watch lots of things. I want to try I want to remember something and I want to talk with people.
But I am watching YouTube videos, motivational videos, vocabulary videos, but so many things. But my mind is not remembering this. Actually, I think so. Uh, I think so. Grammar, communication skills. Maybe grammar not for that used,
Yes,
not
right.
also.
Like yes, right. Grammar is different
This
and
is
the
the habit.
communication is different. Yeah.
So habit. This is the communicate with habit.
Yeah, yeah. You have to make your habit. LSRW, like reading, writing, speaking, this all thing, and visualization technique. Also, like watching video. You have to watch one video, but several time in a one single day. Not
Oh,
like if we done one video and we have now we used to watch a second video. No, just try to watch one video, but several time. And also you have to slow that is speed,
okay.
because if we watch any kind of Hollywood movie, so they used to talk very fast. So
Very
in
fast.
YouTube,
Yes.
yeah, in YouTube there is a one function also, you are capable to slow that video.
Slow that.
So yeah, so
And
after that. Mhm.
yes. And I am watching no American tone, but Indian Bollywood English dubbed movie. So I am
Okay,
watching.
okay, there
Yesterday,
is no. Mhm.
yesterday all night I am watching a movie English
Okay,
dubbed movie.
okay. So
So
which
एक
movie you watch? What is the name of that movie?
एक रिश्ता.
Okay. Okay, so you watch it, and now what you have to do, you watch this movie with 7 day. Okay,
Okay.
continue watch this movie second day, 7 day, and try to understand in which situation they what they want to tell there. Yeah. So I think after that, really, this whole thing help you a lot. Yeah. Because of my mama has called me, so now I'm in my kitchen.
Okay. Okay. No problems.
No, no. Yeah, just continue. Yeah, so just don't do a lots of things. Only try to focus.
Okay.
Don't think like my mind is not remember. Don't think that all thing. Like now, whatever you have, just try to talk with people. Just try to use that all thing which you have, and also try to watch one video but several times.
Several times. Yes.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay.
now you have to do this thing. You watch that movie, so that movie you have to watch that movie 7 days.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
and after
So
that, after 7 day, you remember a lots of thing. What, which character, what that character want to tell there. This all thing, and try
okay.
to focus that situation, like which situation, what they are telling.
Actually, this city is not nearby society. That means not here.
Yeah, I know. Create
Actually,
your own
yeah,
environment. Like,
yeah.
also haven't any kind of environment, but just I create my own. Well, there is
Okay.
so many people, just try to talk them. We don't need to worry about people. Try to talk them.
Okay.
Daily you try to talk them, whatever like you learn, and whatever you have. Like whatever your thoughts you want to just talk, like usually, talk them usually.
Okay.
Like what you did it daily. Okay, just talk like that. Don't, like, okay, and also keep it in your mind. It will really take some time. It is not any kind of there is no any kind of magical pillar, you like magical medicine you have, and then you will become fluent. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it will take really time, like 1 year, 2 year, like this is lifelong process.
Actually, I'm a diploma engineering from computer science from
Okay.
Jetin, Kolkata.
Mm-hmm.
So
That's really too good.
so
Don't feel whenever you have, whenever you will free, so just try to call me if I am free, so we will talk, okay?
okay, okay.
And after
Thank
some time, you are really become capable and you will speak fluently. So now